भाव भयणाक नमस्कार. हो प्रेस आयचो घेवपाचो कारण मेन मुद्दो म्हणल्यार जो सोमाराक 3 आमी मिनेजीस ब्रगांजा हॉलान जो मिनेजीस ब्रगांजान हॉलान जो आज दवरलेलो जो गोंयचो पावर सिनारियो आनी दिल्लीचो पावर सिनारियोचो फरक कितें आनी हे पावर सिनारियो भितर गोंयची जनता कितली खूश आहा आनी कशी आहा आनी कित्याक ह्यो गोश्टी जे सांगता ते फक्त इलेक्शना टायमार दिशाभूल करपाचो प्रयत्न करपाचो हो जो भासाभास जावपाचो आहा. खूब पयलीं कोण तरी तेंचो MLA आनी खंयचो चेअरमॅन कसलो जाल बोर्डाचो डिबेट करता तो आमी इग्नोर केल्ले. आज तेन्नाय आमी सांगलेलें की तेजो पावर मिनिस्टर येयलो जाल्यार हांव बसता आनी तेणी आतां सांगलां की तो येता म्हण सोमाराक एज आमी होस्ट कित्याक ते हांगा येवन ते मेळोंक शकता. सो मिनेजीस ब्रगांजा हॉलान व्हडलो हॉल आसा पॅन्डेमिका खातीर ते विशय ओन्ली लिमिटेड टू प्रेस आनी इट वील बी भासाभास विदीन द पावर मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली आनी द पावर मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा. सो हे एक गोश्ट सांगपाक आमी हो प्रेस हाडलेलो. दुसरी गोश्ट जी आसा म्हाका जी आसा की आज आमच्या वेटलँड ऑथॉरिटी मिटींग एक्चुअली चालू आसा. वेटलँड ऑथॉरिटी भितर ज्यो ग्रीव्हन्स कमिटी एड्रेस केल्ल्यो 3-4 पंचायती येयल्ल्यो तेंचे इशू आमकां ऑन सायट तेणी सर्वे मागल्या तांकां आमी ऑन सायट सर्वे दितले आनी फुडें वेटलँड जे आज गुगल एटलास म्हणटा पळय तो धाडलेलो 545 वेटलँड्स ते स्क्रुटनी करून NIO आनी आमचे एक्सपर्ट मेंबरान आनी सगळ्यांनी स्क्रुटनी करून they have come down to only 105 which is outside CRZ area, outside forest area. Those are extra. जो outside forest because wetland authority चे हितूच बरयतले की CRZ चे भायर आनी फॉरेस्टाचे भायर जो आसा ते 545 इन्क्लूड केल्ल्यो. सो आतां outside CRZ and forest area they have shortlisted around 100 odd wetlands and that is being finalized within next आता पेंडिंग लागून डिले जाला एक 2-3 महिन्या भितर जे एक्चुअल वेटलँड आसा ते आयडेंटिफाय जातले. थँक्यू. वेटलँड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस आज येयले तर 3 विलेजी आसा शिशी देवसा शिशिडी मागीर भाती आनी कांबोली कांबोली हांगा कारांबोली बाती हांगा
You just had a debate about 6 months ago, 5 months ago.
I didn't want to have a debate.
No, but till elections, the debates will continue.
I don't want to have a debate. म्हाका तूं विचारता म्हण म्हाका डिबेट करपाची नाशिल्ली.
सर चॅलेंज तुमच्या वेळान येयले.
सांगता मरे तूं विचार म्हाका सांगू मरे मागीर विचार मरे. सी हांवें डिबेट केन्ना सांगूं ना. हांवें जेन्ना पयलीं जेन्ना सांगलेलें तेजे कडेन सांगलेलें कित्याक तसो इशू तसो जाल्लो नंतर ते सगळे न्हिदलेले. आतां परतून केन्ना ते 8 म्हयन्यांनी तुवें सांगलेलें 7-8 म्हयन्यांनी परतून खंय तरी स्टेटमेंट केलो तांकां आतां इलेक्शनां येता म्हण ते स्टेटमेंट करीत रावतले. हांवें पळयलां कशें स्टेटमेंट करता ते. आतां करता तेन्ना परतून तोच इशू हाडलेलो परतून तो कोण तो पयलीं सांगतालो पळय तोय आपूण आतां येता म्हणटालो. सो हांवें स्टेटमेंट केलो तूं परतून ते करता पळय तूं कोण येता जाल्यार तो येवचो म्हूण अशें हांवें सांगलें की गोंयची आमी जे पळय कितें आसता टॅरीफ पेटिशन आसता आमचे जे टॅरीफ आनी बाकीच्यो गोश्टी आसा कंपेर करपाक आमच्यो आनी तेंच्यो कंपेर करपाक खूब फरक आतां हांव तेतूंत सांगतलो न्ही. सो ह्यो गोश्टी डिबेटीक न्ही गोंयचो सरकार जनते खातीर जे इलेक्ट्रिकल टॅरीफ जे आसा कशें आहा आनी तेंचें कशें आहा आनी कशें आहा तें तेजेर. आतां तुवें म्हटल्यार पळय हें पोतू करतलें म्हाका इच्छा ना पोतू करपाची. लोकांक सांगपाची इच्छा आसा कित्याक आज जे तो मिडियमांतल्यान जे होर्डिंग ऑर पॅम्फलेट ऑर आमचे तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जे दाखोवंक सोदता कोणे तरी तेजे बाबा उलोवपाक जाय ना लोकांक प्रयत्न करपाचो आसतलो की खंय तरी फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हूण दिवपाचो प्रयत्न ते आतां करूंक सोदता आनी आमी दिना हो विशयाचो आमी तो उलोवंक शकता.
But your party and your party was saying that we won't allow a minister to speak in this debate or debate.
When that question, when you asked my party, maybe it was before this. After that, it's already clarified.
What time it is?
3 o'clock at Minister Bagazo.
So will it be only on power or Delhi model or Goa model? Because they are
No, I have seen some of their advertisement hoardings where they have used the same picture of mine, and their picture is a different picture. आय हॅव नो प्रॉब्लम इन दॅट. म्हजें सांगपाचें कितें आसा, सी मॉडल इट इज बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जे आसा इज सपोज टू बी ऑन दॅट मॉडल. बट वेन यू टॉक अबाउट गव्हर्नन्स, तितू भितर जे एक गव्हर्मेंट जो आसता वेगळे वेगळे स्किमी करता. हांवें लास्ट टायम सांगलें आमचे गव्हर्मेंटान कितें केलां, ह्यो गोश्टी हायलायट जाल्ल्यो आसा, त्यो म्हाका दिसता तांकां कळना. सो तांकां कळपाक हांवें सांगपाक पडटलें, बाबा तुमी हें पळय हें सांगता, आमी बरें केलें आनी तितूंच तुमकां कळटलें कितें आसा तें.
How long
Sir,
it
sir,
will
you
go?
you
कितल्या
are
वरांचे
ready
ते?
for any other
40
topic?
minutes.
40
minutes.
So you are ready for any other topic besides electricity?
I didn't get you.
You are ready if they talk about the schemes and other things.
It has to be, no, see, then the modern electricity, see, every government has got its priorities. As I should not open out, but आमच्याच पण तुमकां सांगता, see, priorities are like this. एक गोष्ट पयली आसा की whom should the government target as helping hand? It should be the weaker sections of society according to me. It cannot be the elite section or the high elite section or जे आसा पळय ते करूं शकना. It should be the weaker section. खंय तरी तांकां बाबा पावपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंट एट दॅट टायम. आतां हितू भितर जेन्ना तो हांवें म्हजोच एग्जाम्पल घेवन म्हाका सोडून दिया, हांवें म्हजोच एग्जाम्पल घेवन सांगलेलें की ज्यो गोश्टी ते सांगता की फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी 300 मतां, ताका येवं पयलें ती फ्री दिवपाक, तेजे कडेन आमदार ना कोण ना ते मागीर लोक पळयतले. इश्यू कितें आसा की फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जेन्ना म्हणटा ही कोणाक, हांवें ऑलरेडी क्लॅरिफाय केला, सेकंड होम्स, थर्ड होम्स, फोर्थ होम्स, तेंचेच लोकां जी आहा तांकां फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दिता तो हांगा येवन.
No, but
गोंयकारांक तेजो फायदो व्हडलो जावचो ना.
so
तें हांव क्लॅरिफाय केल्लें आसा तेतूच
So who is going to be the moderator for the?
see, as a host that we will do and we will finish it off.
so
But
one
who is
thing
going to be the
one thing
moderator?
is
You be a neutral person from your press. Fourth estate म्हणटा पळय आमी. It cannot be a political
Final
figure.
law, no?
It cannot be a political figure. It cannot be from anything. It should be from the fourth state. Because fourth state we consider that the press is neutral and is for the people. So it will be
So
from the
one
fourth
thing
state.
is that एका टायमार they are talking about free electricity time and again हिंगा येवन सांगता. एका टायमार हिंगा petrol prices देखून फाटी देव वयलेले during Parrikar regime. So like that, is it a possible solution or scenario in गोवान जाता?
दिल्ली आमच्या परस चड आमी पेट्रोल.
हा?
दिल्ली आमच्या परस चड आमी. ताका विचार तूं ताका विचार आमकां कितें विचारता. दिल्ली पेट्रोल प्रायस are higher than Goa prices.
Water.
Power only. correct.
No, I did not debate. So see,
No, they-
wrong notion. I don't want to debate. What has happened in the past? And there was a statement made one of the MLAs who was the chairman of some board. They said they want me to debate and tell that what is Goa is not proper, Delhi is proper. I ignored them. Then the local, I am accountable to the people of Goa. If anybody calls me or anybody asks me, I am there. And last time also, somebody from their party asked me, I went. It has come back again when Mr. Kejriwal came here and announced something. They said, the same other fellow said, we want to debate. I said, I am not ready to debate. Then the question of 6 or 7 months before, I told the same thing that if they want to come, let the power minister come. Now after 7 months, he is woken up from his slumber and he is coming.
So it will be only focusing on the power only.
I am here.
So you are ready to
I
analyze the other issues.
represent my government also. I am the minister of the government, and I know what this government under Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is a able chief minister, is doing good work. We are trying to help the people. Unfortunately, this government half the time, lot of pandemic has gone. Today also you have seen what has happened, and all these issues. Of course, my chief minister approving this. I have told him. And he knows my ability and capability to handle the government, so there's no problem.
I want to ask you one thing. You said they have no representation here. Why you give them so much importance?
I'm not giving any importance to anybody. See, when you are in a sitting government and when you're trying to show something which is not the way they are trying to show, it is not only there. Anybody else also is trying to show. Also, I will fight for my government. What is the fact has to be brought to the public's notice. Because see, bringing into the system, आणि खंय तरी लोकांक जैसे I use the word दिशाभूल, आणि you cannot word that thing into making it a reality by just focusing. There are so many other things which they have focused there. हांगा 300 आणि दिल्ली 200 खंय हांगा न्हू कित्याक ते दिल्लीन तेणें गव्हर्मेंट केल्लें मरे 200 ते कित्याक मागीर 200चे 400 तेंचे अर्दे पण थंय डिफरन्स कित्याक हांगा कित्याक डिफरन्स मागीर खुबश्यो गोश्टी आसा आजूच उलोवन मागीर डिबेट हांगाच
So
घेवप.
will this debate be the last debate or आनीक कितें सांगतालो तूं पत्ता आमी debate घेता.
See, today पळय हांव तो सांगतलो हो सांगतलो म्हण हांव वचना. म्हजे गोंयकार म्हजे गोंयान गोंयकार जे आमचे आसा गोंयचे लोकांक कोणूय तरी मिसगायड करता आनी ज्यो गोश्टी सारक्यो ना तेजे खातीर हांव गोंयकारांक फुडें आसतलो
तुम्ही एलिमेंट एक फुल स्टॉप दिवपाक सोदता
हांव डिबेट करनाच म्हटलं ना रे गोंयकारांक जेन्ना विशय जो ते मांडटा पळय हो विशय सारको न्ही जाल्यार सरकारा भितर तेन्ना सांगपा पडना कोणें तरी सो तेका लागून हांव आतां पावराचेर ते उलयता ते पावराचेर हांव करता सो फाल्यां जर सीएमान आनी कितें गोश्टी सांगल्यो म्हाका हांव करतलो नाल्यार सीएम करतलो कोण तरी करपाक पडटलो नाल्यार येवन कोण कोण इलेक्शना टायमार 4 म्हयने 5 म्हयने आसतना वेगळे वेगळे विशय हाडटले आनी लोकांचो एक तकलेन जे आमकां खबर आहा आमचो गव्हर्मेंट जातलोच फुडें तांकां येवन खंय तरी नाकालेले सांगतले आनी खंयचे तरी डायवर्ट करूंक सोदतले मायंड ती डायवर्ट करपाचे विशय आमी दिवचेच ना
So Kabral is capable of attending debates other than other ministers and all.
Every minister is capable of his own subject. Now this particular subject was electricity. It is not that we are. I just come out from the cabinet. You are aware. In cabinet we discuss all things. So we have knowledge of all the ministers. So I am part of a collective government. So automatically we will have.
This should have been happened at the party level and not the minister.
What is
This debate.
No, but he is a minister. No? I am a minister. No? Minister, there's no problem. That is why previously when that fellow was saying something, I ignored it. I didn't want to. But now when the power minister of the Delhi government himself is saying that I want to come and discuss, I have no problem. What is wrong?
Normally these are election promises. Many parties give, but why you give importance to them? That is my
No, I am not giving importance to anybody is not required.
These are
I am-
election promises. They are
Well-
trying to lure voters.
No, that is for them to promise and
Yeah.
people not to fall prey. That is why we have to get involved and tell the people the facts that what is happening there and what they have shown there.
That you can do.
They have, so that is what we are trying to
So
say.
why you require a discussion with him?
No, he asked for discussion. Why should I go behind when I know that we are giving the best?
Other than Delhi,
Why should I go behind? I should not get scared. No, when I know that this government is giving the best, we have not increased our tariff for a long time. I can prove it that we have not increased the tariff, and I can prove. Anyway, today if I discuss, then you will be this. No, we will see it on that day, please.
all the best.
सर
Thank you.
सर आयज फ्लड जाला
हय.
पावर डिपार्टमेंटाक कितलो लॉस जाला
Loss certain जाऊ ना